What is up guys? Samahan niyo ako na pumunta sa Cebu City para sa isang Samsung event. It will be all about the launching of the newest Samsung phones, which is the Samsung Galaxy A56 and A36 5G phones. So later in this video, i-discuss natin kung ano yung mga key features and specifications nitong newest phones ni Samsung. But before that, kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, please do like this video, click that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell para lagi kayong maging updated sa mga future uploads namin. Kaya naman, let's go! For today, andito tayo sa Calbayog City Airport because we're heading to the Queen City of the South, Cebu City, for an exciting Samsung event. Kaya samahan nyo ako sa ating biyahe and tara, pumasok na tayo sa loob. By the way, meron ditong store na may masasarap na delicacies which is the Cafe Danya. Kaya if ever na mapadaan kayo dito sa Calbayog City Airport, make sure na matitikman nyo yung mga foods dito. Now, we're just waiting for boarding. And makikita naman natin ang daming tao na papunta ngayon sa Cebu. Boarding completed. Next stop, Cebu City. And touchdown, Cebu City. Excited na ako para sa pupuntahan nating event. Kaya naman, let's go outside and get our taxi papuntang hotel. Hey guys, andito na kami ngayon sa Cebu. Bali, papunta na kaming hotel, sa venue, sa Quest Hotel. And medyo malilate tayo due to our flight schedule kasi yung start ng event is 10 a.m. So right now it's 11 a.m. Pero nevertheless, papunta na tayo doon. Dito yung aking partner, si Kuya Shervin. Yeah. So first time niya dito sa Cebu. Kailangan, mamayang hapon pagkatapos ng event, kailangan natin siyang ipasyal para sulit naman yung pagpunta niya dito sa Cebu. Alright? So actually, it's my 4th time here in Cebu and matagal-tagal na since yung last na punta ko dito. I think it's 2 years already. So good thing na na-invite tayo ni Samsung para sa kanilang event which is held sa Quest Hotel. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nasa event. So, let's go! Kakarating lang natin sa Quest Hotel and diretso na tayo sa event hall kasi kanina pa nag-start yung event. And andito nga pala si Sir JB para i-assist tayo. Bago pumasok, need muna natin mag-register kasi baka manalo tayo mamaya sa raffle. This event is about the launching of the new Samsung phones, the Galaxy A56 and A36 5G phones. They're showcasing the newest features or upgrades na makukuha natin with these phones. I-discuss nila ngayon is yung bagong ila-launch na product which is the Samsung Galaxy A56 and A36 5G. So, dinifeature ni ma'am kung ano yung mga bagong features na in-incorporate nila dito sa bagong. Dito nagkaroon tayo ng interactive game with the color wheel at nabigay din si Samsung ng standees and Samsung shirts. At syempre, hindi pwedeng matapos yung event nang di nagkakaroon ng pictorial. At sakto, nasa gitna pa tayo. Dito nga pala nag-uusap kami ni Sir JB about Samsung and sa plano nilang pag-visit sa atin sa Calbayog City. Ang ganda ng feel nung hinawakan ko itong Galaxy A56. Super linaw talaga ng display pag naka Super AMOLED. And isa to sa mga dahilan kung bakit I am using Samsung as my personal phone. Later in this video, I will discuss the specs and other features nito, so stay tuned. Bali, tapos na yung event and dito tayo ngayon mag-stay for the net kasi bukas by 8 AM babalik na rin tayo sa Calbayog. And that sums up our Cebu travel. But before we wrap up this video, gusto ko lang ipakita yung mga key highlights of Samsung's newest phone, which is the Galaxy A56 5G. Available to in 3 different colors, which is the Awesome Graphite, Awesome Light Gray, and Awesome Pink. With the new Awesome Intelligence, meron tong circle to search feature with Google. Just circle, highlight, tap an object, or text on screen to get Google search results. Meron din itong Object Eraser, which removes unwanted distractions or objects sa background. For the specs, meron siyang Exynos 1580 chipset and octa-core CPU with Eclipse 540 GPU. It also features a triple camera setup with 50MP main camera sensor, 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and 5MP macro. At kayang makapag-shoot ng up to 4K at 30fps and 1080p at 30fps and 60fps video. The display is Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, pati na rin yung kanyang glass back cover with aluminum frame. Fully immersive gameplay with a large 6.7 inches Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. Plus, its long battery life with long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery that lets you enjoy movie marathons of up to 29 hours nang di kinakailangang i-charge. At isa sa nagustuhan ko is yung kanyang up to 6 generations of OS upgrades and up to 6 years of security updates, which will keep the unit running as good as. And that's it. If you enjoyed and learned something, please don't forget to like this video, click that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell para lagi kayong maging updated sa mga future uploads namin. It's me again, your Kuya Ernst of All World Communications, your #1 tech partner, and see you on our next video.